Deciphering Tacit in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a very intriguing English word, tacit. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. Tacit comes from the Latin word tacitus, which means silent or not spoken. In English, tacit describes something that is implied or understood without being directly expressed. For example, even though they never said they were partners, their tacit agreement was obvious by the way they worked together. There was a tacit understanding among the team members about who would handle which task. It's helpful to contrast tacit with another term, explicit. While tacit refers to something unspoken but understood, explicit refers to something stated clearly and in detail, leaving no room for confusion. For example, they had a tacit agreement not to talk about politics. They had an explicit agreement, in writing, about their business terms. Let's look at a few more examples to understand how tacit can be used in sentences. 1. Her silence gave tacit consent to the proposal. 2. There's a tacit rule in many cultures that you don't discuss personal finances in social settings. 3. Though it was never mentioned, there was a tacit understanding that he would take over the family business. So there we have it. The word tacit beautifully captures those unspoken but understood elements in communication and agreements. Remember, it's not always about what's said out loud, but often what remains unspoken that carries weight. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of tacit. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.